ఓకే అండి. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఎవరీవన్. So online students, can you hear my voice? Right. Right. So the last class yesterday, day before yesterday, right. The major disadvantage of array. Array size once defined cannot be modified at runtime or execution time. The meaning, when the execution started, the size cannot be changed. Because of this reason, when we want to hold dynamic data means changing data. It changes depending upon the user query or user request. In that cases, array is not preferable. So we want to replace that array with one component where size restriction must not be there. Size restriction must not be there. Because of this reason, they brought collection. Collection first advantage is size restriction not there. It can hold unlimited components. It's a major advantage of collection. Collection major feature is it can hold unlimited data value. Second one, it can hold any kind of data, no restriction. I must hold only integer, only character not there. It can hold unlimited data and any type of data. Because of this reason, collection framework is popular. Okay, right, start it. Sir, whenever I want to start this collection, you must know small revision like this. Revision means recollecting indirectly. So in our language means in our journey, sir, classes are there, interfaces are there. Of course, abstract classes are there, but abstract class is nothing but a class only, indirectly. So let us concentrate on class and interface. Class has object. Class has object. Interface do not have object directly. Object not there. It can hold abstract method. Interface can hold abstract method. Of course, newly concrete methods came. That is different. It's a new feature, no? Anyway, right? Okay. Now abstract methods came. What is the rule now? Sir, the interface is implemented to one class. The interface is implemented to one class. And the class by terminology, we call it as implementation class. What is the rule now? Sir, this implementation class has to take this abstract method and construct the body. That is a basic theory. Got it right? Now, in our interface chapter, we took one interface, I comparable, I arithmetic, this three I will use it. That is demo purpose and demo only. Right? I use I arithmetic. Down I had addition, subtraction, multiplication. They are all implementations. I comparable, greater, smaller. Transaction, withdraw, display. Here, you only return interface. You only return implementation class for demo purpose and practiced. You know the concept. That practice is concept practice. Now, whatever the concept available with you, you must apply somewhere. You must apply somewhere. That application is collection. You are going to apply the knowledge on collection. The same concept, collection. Collection is an application of interfaces. That's all. But here advantage is framework. In the starting somewhere I given definition. The structure which is ready constructed and available for construction is known as framework. Here also ready constructed and available for construction. Sir, what is this ready constructed? So here interfaces are constructed in the library. Implementations also constructed in the library. For practice purpose, what you done now? You only written interface. You only written implementation. But here, interface is ready. Implementation also ready. You are not doing anything. That's a basic point. Here, interface also ready. Implementation also ready. That is called framework. Then what we are going to do, sir? We are going to use them. What we are going to do now? We are going to use them. You recollect the concept. I comparable, I only written, sir. Greater, smaller, I only written, sir. Main class, I only written. Their choice, greater or smaller. That is a technical, not now. Now here, interface already available. Implementation already available. You must write only main class. That is the concept. Because of this comes under framework. Framework means we are not constructing anything. All are available. We are going to use it. All have understood this point now, right? Now collection. Now let us start it. What are the basic points now for remembering? Sir, collection major advantage is no size restriction. It is a replacement of array. Array is size restricted. Collection non-size restricted. Collection can hold unlimited data. Collection can hold unlimited data. Collection means collecting elements as a group. The elements can be values or objects or anything. But as a general definition, we had it. Now here, they provided in the form of one interface to you. So we start like this. Define collection. Define, keyboard is not working. Frankly speaking, more easiest chapter is this only. Actually, why means already interfaces are there, implementations also available. We are here to use them. That's all. That is a major advantage of collection framework. Define collection. Okay, came. Make it define collection. Like this you must write always. Define collection. Collection is a built-in interface from java.util package and which is root of Java collection framework. Root. Collection is a built-in interface from java.util package and which is root of Java collection framework. Actually, built-in, no? We are writing the hierarchy, means how it is available in the library. We are writing, right? Whatever I am writing, write neatly and read it. Because this chapter is short chapter, but important chapter. Because instead of working clarity, in advanced Java already you are using array list, vector. Already used vector in JDBC, array list in your servlet already. So while you are using it, looks very easy only because like array only. You are working with the array, no? The same array flavor only, indexes will be there and so on. But getting idea on that only very hard. Means very biggest layout will come. You have to by-heart it and remember. So this collection interface is extended into the following sub interfaces. 1. Set one interface. List one interface. Queue one interface. Set, list, queue. This 3. Set, list, queue. So all of you can remember these 3. All of you can remember the names by heart it. Collection, one interface. This collection interface has 3 sub interfaces, extends. So we draw the hierarchy of collection, where in training process the student has to remember one layout diagram. He has to remember it. So I am drawing one hierarchy of collection like this. Look there, almost you got 8 features almost you are getting with my notebook only getting. 1 or 2 misses also I'll give in the last to you. There are programmatically majorly given to you already. Lambda expression, method references, some interfaces I am bringing. I'll give all maximum cover it. So my workshop is coming on Java 17 feature. Right? Up to now only 2 videos available in the YouTube. So I'm coming with one new concept, records and sealed classes. So still normal student cannot withstand, but you people can withstand because you know Lambda, you know method reference. Anyway, I'll use threading, collections, I'll use Java 8 more here. You'll be ready. So my workshop is there, attend it. 17 I'm planning. Because next certification 17. 8 outdated. You should know. In workshop we educate that. Actually 8 also outdated. Market people don't know. 11 came. 11 and 17 in the market. In between, some products are there. They are all 6 months products. Every 6 months they'll change and come. Now is the major product is 17. 17, 8 years support is there from Oracle. 8 years. Till 8 years, 17 will be there. 18, 19 will come. They are known as 6 months product. 6 months, small changes they'll do. Major change they will not do. 17 is the major. I am also going for exam at 17 certification. I am going already. I am preparing and going there. So I am coming with 17 features. Right? I will write here for you 1 or 2 in the last, if it is time permits. If not, I am trying to educate you through workshops. Okay, right? Why I means in my collection I am going to use more. 8 features from day 1 I concentrated on coming anyway, but I'll write more here. Right, see there. Now collection. Collection, one interface. One interface coming from java.util. This collection has 3 interfaces. One interface is set, one interface is list, one interface is queue. This is one interface. This is one interface. Interface to interface, what keyword now? Extends. Here we had iterable, iterable, iterable. Iterable. This is also one interface. Java.lang this is. Extends. Major thing to be remembered is collection, set, list, queue. These 3 you must remember. All of you can remember, no? Right. So, working with set, working with list, working with queue. That is your chapter. That's all. Like you are using iComparable, no? The same way set is there, list is there, queue is there. So every interface will have its own implementation. We are going to open that implementations and we are going to work it. This is the first basic point. So we are working on collection. Collection has one parent, iterable. Iterable means iterative, picking the data from that collection objects. So one parent is there. In that parent, some methods will be there. The methods will work it. So let us copy that methods also. See that I am showing that basic point to be remembered. Java P, java.util.collection. Collection is one interface. collection is one interface. Can you see iterable? This iterable java.lang.iterable. Iterable has three methods. One method is iterator, one method is for each, one method is special iterator. You use the special iterator now for arrays. So three methods. So in the diagram, here, iterator one method, for each one method, special iterator one method. Iterator, special iterator one method. So these are the three methods to be remembered. Iterator has three methods. Iterator, for each, and special iterator. Three methods, only three methods. You must remember them for the interview. Define iterable. Question is that you must say iterable is from lang, which is the parent of collection, holding three methods: iterator, for each, and special iterator. Using that three, what we are going to do, we are going to write in the program. This is the first information to be remembered. First information to be remembered. Okay, right. Now, from this Java collection framework, collection means one interface. Yes or no? Collection means one interface. Sir, what is this framework? Make it. Define framework. Define framework. The structure which is ready constructed. The structure which is ready constructed and available for application development. The structure which is ready constructed and available for application development is known as framework. Known as framework. The structure which is ready constructed and available. Underline this. Structure which is ready constructed and available. Spring framework, web service framework, they also ready constructed actually. So Spring framework, ready constructed actually. So here structure which is ready constructed and available, we call it as a framework. Now, what is the meaning of this title, total title? The meaning. Here Java means library, yes or no? It refers library. Just now you got it. Collection means interface. This is structure ready constructed and available. So total meaning is what now? The total meaning is what now? Java library provides collection interface ready constructed and available for application development. Java library provides collection interface ready constructed and available for application development. So collection, just now I shown the interface from the library, no? Right, okay. Now, let us draw the complete structure of collection. Means, its implementation classes also let us draw. If you know the implementation classes, you can work directly, right? So this is, after this layout, here, the following is the complete structure of collection. The complete structure of collection. The following is the complete structure of collection. Complete structure of collection. See that I am drawing the complete structure I am drawing. Set is one interface. Anyway, this set is having 3 implementations are there. Set will have implementations. One is hash set. Hash set is a class. One is linked hash set. Linked hash set. One class. Here, hash set to linked hash set, we had extends. I mean, this is the child class. Extends. Now this set is implemented to here. This set is implemented to here. Implements and implements. Now, here one sorted set. Sorted set is one interface actually. Navigable set. One more. Navigable set. Extends. Here also extends. Here we had tree set. Tree set. Tree set is one class. This navigable set linked to tree set. This is implements. So finally set is implemented to three actually. One is hash set, one is linked hash set, one is tree set. Actually. But the tree set will have one algorithm. Ascending order algorithm will be there. For that only it has two extra parents, navigable and sorted. This is set. So final how many implementations means only three implementations. Hash set, linked hash set and tree set. The same way we go for list. Second one is list here. List. List. One interface. Now this list will have array list, array list, one class, linked list, one class, linked list, one class, vector. In Java 17 new API came, vector API. Java 17 one more feature came. I worked yesterday. Yesterday all is there, no? 8 hours I worked. On that 17, almost 80% I executed 17. Inbuilt web server came for us. You are installing Tomcat separately, no? Now in the coming versions you are going to see inbuilt server. That's a thing going to happen. So for that only they made a trial and came. This many versions the trial and came. And they are giving support for 17, 8 years they given support. 8 years means biggest. 17 is going to play a role. 8 played a role. 18 support up to 19. 8. Then this one for 8 years. Vector. Class. So 3 implementations like this. One is linked list, one is array list, one is vector. Implements. Implements. Now there are 3 implementations we had. 3 implementations. Now, this vector has one child. The vector child is stack. Child is stack. So stack is a child of vector. Extends. Now this is list. This is set. This is list. 3 implementations. Here we had Q. Q has Q1 interface anyway. See there? Q has one extension DQ. DQ means double-ended Q. It has one extension known as DQ. DQ is an extension of Q. Extends. Now this Q implemented to abstract Q. Abstract Q. Abstract Q is an abstract class. Implements. Abstract class this one. Here we had priority queue. Priority queue. This is extends. Now DQ has 2 actually. Here array DQ. Array DQ. This is one class. Implements. Now DQ linked to linked list also. Implements. Now Q family. Q and Q implementation and DQ and array DQ. The implementations. So these are the 3 families. Set, list, queue. This set list queue is linked to collection, no? These 3 are linked to collection above. These 3 are linked to collection. Here collection. Collection. Just now we drawn, no? Interface. java.util. You had a link here. Set list links. So here implements implements extends interface to interface. Extends anyway, almost we must write iterable. Java.lang extends. So this is collection. Can you see the diagram? Hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical means coming down like this. So hierarchical inheritance is inbuilt with your library. Collection is an example. Correct. So these many things a student cannot remember, first of all. Because they say collection is very hard. But if you practice once, my suggestion to you, practice once. Target today night and practice the diagram. Finish. Collection is under your control. Even I also by-headed, no? All hierarchies are by-headed. 80% Java 8 certification when I am doing. Already I done my Java 8 already. I prepared in notes. I'll do a certification for preparation only. So this layout you have to by-head it. If not, to take one printout. If not, to take one printout. It should be by-headed, or if not, take one printout and carry it. Now one more information available down now. One more information down. There are two interfaces will be there. Actually, two interfaces. Two interfaces. Serializable. Serializable. You know serializable. Yes or no? Na? Serializable, one empty interface available from java.io package, which supports serialization process. This serializable interface supports serialization means all objects can be converted into binary. And one more interface is clonable. Clonable. This also one interface still not discussed. This clonable will come from java.lang. Now all the objects are serializable objects actually. All the objects are serializable objects. Hash set object is serializable. Linked hash set is serializable. Linked hash set is serializable. Tree set is serializable. Array list is serializable. Linked list is serializable. Vector is serializable. Priority queue is serializable. DQ is serializable. All the objects are serializable objects. Now, clonable. Clonable meaning is nothing but creating the duplicate copies. Means protection purpose. For protection, we create a duplicate copy. Whenever we want to protect some object, we create duplicate. The duplicate we call it as cloning. This is clonable. This is clonable. This is clonable. Clonable. Now this priority queue is there, no, this one. Priority queue is not clonable. I kept a cross mark. This is the point. Now, this many links are there. Here implements so this also implements. So this is the complete diagram of collection. So which is not clonable means your priority key is not clonable. I kept a cross mark here. Now you can open anything from the library. I'll open set. See there. So I'll open set. java.util.set. Set. Set extends from collection. Now, set has three implementations: hash set, linked hash set, tree set. Now, I am opening hash set. Hash set extends from, you leave that abstract class, implements from set, implements from clonable, implements from serializable. Can you see that? Clonable, serializable information is important actually, because object can be traveled on the network or not. You must know whether I can take the backup or not. Cloning means creating duplicate copy of an object. That's called cloning. So whether I can take the duplicate copy or not, that is clonable. So by seeing this diagram, student has to prepare it. The object is clonable or not, the object is serializable or not, the object is coming from where. So you must have an idea, then only you can use it. The same way, I'll open one more. List, I'll open it. Just now I opened the set, no? I'll open list. I am opening the list. Here I open tree set, I forget it. I'll open tree set. Tree set implements from navigable. Tree set implements from navigable set. Here clonable, serializable. That navigable set extends from sorted set. The sorted set extends from set. Sorted set extends from set. That will I drawn. I'll have observed this. The same thing I presented for all. The total needed interfaces I provided there. Okay, right. Now look here. Once you got the list of implementations down, already got the list of implementations already. Set means 3. Hash set, linked hash set, tree set. List means 3. Array list, linked list, vector. Queue means 1. That is priority queue. DQ means array DQ and linked list. Like this. There are some hierarchy given there. Okay, right. Now in this all I am using one E always. I am typing one E. Angular brace I am typing ER, not now. Sir, what is that E? Now write it. This diagram will be pasted here. The complete structure of collection. If possible, you take a printout of this complete structure. If the printout is not coming correctly, you draw it. Okay, right. Take one big chart and draw it and stick in your room and daily see what is collection. Collection is playing crucial role for you. Why means database table data. When it come out of your database, it is available in one location known as result set. From that location of result set, the data will come and available in the form of multiple objects. To hold that multiple objects, we are using collection. Because of this reason, developer in real time should have a great command over collection. If you have a command only, you can use them. If you don't know how many are there, what are there, if you don't have an idea, you cannot use it. Why they will ask in the interview? At least you have a awareness or not, they'll ask in the interview. If you know some awareness is there, they'll take it. Because if you know something available, you can use it now. By practically 1 or 2 days, if you try to use it, you'll use it. But you must know what is the layout. So this diagram is crucial diagram. So if possible, I had it anyway. Sir, in this we had E. Sir, what is this 3? Right. So define generic programming components. Define generic programming component. Define generic programming component. The programming components which are ready to accept any type of data. Ready to accept any type at runtime. At runtime. Are known as generic programming components. The programming components which are ready to accept any type, which are ready to accept any type at runtime. Here any type means they can accept any type, int, char, float and so on, any type. Generally you can see on the medical shops also, generic medicines. Generic medicine means effect will not be there. Effect in the sense, it works for all generally. Generic means for all. Generic meaning is for all, or I can accept any type. That's the meaning of generic. Suppose I am writing E no here. Always I am writing E here. E, T, U, V, like this we write it. Suppose if I take int K I taken. If I take K here, I can enter int value. I can enter int value, I can enter. Right. So suppose the same thing, if I write E, K, if I write it, I declared K by the type E. That's the meaning actually. Now E is a generic, means it says that I can accept integer family, I can accept float family, I can accept character, I can accept Boolean, I can accept any user defined type. Means what? I am generic. It's a concept. Generic means ready to accept any type. That's the meaning actually. Collection E means what? Collection can collect any type of data. That's the meaning actually. That collection gives the flexibility to you to collect any type of. You take a collection, keep integers, it will work. Take that collection, give float, it will work. Take a collection, give some char, it will work. Means collection is ready to collect any type of data. That only generic type. In the place of E, you can replace any type and you can use it. So in the library, they'll say write E. When you are writing at runtime, any type your wish. In the E can be replaced with whatever the type you want it, you can replace it. That's the meaning of generic type. The programming components which are ready to accept any type at runtime are known as generic programming components. The following are the list of generic programming components. Generic types, generic methods, generic classes, generic interfaces. Generic interfaces. Generic interfaces. Of course, constructors, generic constructor. Constructor is a method, no? Right? Static, non-static method only, no? Right? Generic blocks will not be there. Generally, these are the components to be. Among this, always the popular one is that only T, E, K, V, they are all generic types. The types which are ready to accept any type of data are known as generic types. Make it. The types which are ready to accept any type of data at runtime are known as generic types. The types which are ready to accept any type of data at runtime are known as generic types. Right. Under this generic types now, example for generic, T will be there. T stands for type. E will be there. E stands for element. K will be there. K stands for key. V will be there. V stands for value. So these are all generic formats we had it. These are all generic formats. Among this, T is the super type actually. So T can accept E, T can accept K, T can accept V. You are holding elements means say E. If you are holding primary key K, values depending upon primary key values. So always collection we write E, means holding elements, integer objects, integer elements, float elements, char elements. So they'll write E. So in a library form they'll write E. You bring that and use your own form. That's only meaning of these generic formats. So they're ready to accept any kind of data. Sir, if I write T in my user defined, error will come. T is not your data type, no? Yes or no? Your data type means what? And primitive, non-primitive, int, char. If you write T directly, error will come because that is not your data type. So part of library, they are indicating generic types. That's the meaning. So T, K, V, you can interchangeably use it. In the place of T, you can use E. In the place of E, you can use E. T, no problem. Because they are accepting all types, no? You can use anything. But these are the names you can see part of your generic types you can see. So generic methods. The methods which are ready to accept any type of parameters are known as generic methods. The methods which are ready to accept any type of parameters are known as generic methods. Syntax is, we write like this: return type, method name, parameter T, and method. The methods which are ready to accept any type of parameters are known as generic methods. So like this, here one T means return type is any type T, parameter is any type. That's the meaning of it actually. So generic classes. The class object reference will hold. The class object reference will hold unlimited and any type of objects. The class object reference will hold unlimited and any type of objects. Any type of objects is known as generic class. Is known as generic class. So this definition will not be clear to you, I know. You must wait to understand this definition until I draw the first diagram. First program, first diagram, you will get a clarity. What is that statement? The class object reference will hold unlimited and any type of objects. I'll explain this line once again to you. Syntax. Class name Super type you must write generic type, and here class body. Generic interfaces. The interfaces which are implemented to generic classes are known as generic interfaces. Syntax same. Interface name followed by interface. Completed? Right. Now based on this, now we must write a complete program and we have to explain it actually. Now you have to take one by one. You have to take a set, list, queue, and we have to do actually. I will write a single program with combination of all, and I'll explain. Understood now? Right. All combination, I'll write it. It's like one small mini application only. Collection framework. I am taking one package. I am taking demo collection. I am taking. Import java.util. Scanner yes is equal to new scanner of system.in try of s. Now here I will take collection integer. I will take Sum C is equal to null. Here, system dot out dot println choice. Under this collection, 3 choices will be there. One for set, one for list, one for queue. Set, list, queue. Now system dot out dot println, enter the choice. Int choice 1 is equal to s dot switch off choice. End of switch. Case 1, this is for set. Case 2, this is for list. Case 3, this is for queue. If it is an invalid choice, program terminated. Program terminated. I will stop it. System dot exit of 0. Suppose if it is choice, case 1, system dot out dot println, again the choice will come. Yes or no na? Under set. Now system dot out dot println, here, what is this? Here, 1 for hash set, 2 for linked hash set, 3 for tree set. Hash set, linked hash set, and tree set. So enter the choice. Enter the choice. Now int choice 2 is equal to s dot next int. Again the switch will come, no? Choice 2. End of switch. Case 1 means hash set, break. Case 2 means linked hash set, break. Case 3 means tree set, break. Default means invalid choice. So program terminated. System dot exit of 0. This is for set only. Like this, list is there, queue is there. At last objects will come, means biggest program will come or not now, right? I'll attach this program today to you. Tomorrow holiday is there for you, right? From management, you had a holiday for Ramjan. Okay, right. I will type this program in the lunch break and I'll give to you. You run it and come. There only all informations are available in a single program. I'll take set, list, queue, one by one. Nodes, I'll show that. Nodes, I'll show that. Understood this point? So it's the biggest layout will come, very biggest, 150, 160 lines will come. This is a single program as a collection. Okay, right, layout for remembering. I'll type this program in the lunch break and I'll give to you. Okay, right. You run it and come. So after Wednesday, we are setting set. What is that hash set mean? Linked hash set mean? Tree set mean? How the output is coming also we can show. Like this we discuss it, right? Okay. Take a break. So we are meeting on Wednesday again.